machine set up, lap the anvil, make it parallel to the spindle. Takes a few minutes to get it set up for each mic. Here's the mic we're working on today, a 15-inch stereo. Got to rest on the V-blocks. Block set where I want it, and tighten it down. Okay, now the mic is securely in position here. I can bring the anvil up to the wheel real carefully, and I want to make sure that the whole anvil is contacting the wheel. See, it makes a small impression on there. Let me know that I need to make some adjustments to get a full cut. Now I'm ready to cut. Bring the anvil up there and let the diamond paste do the work. See, it kind of builds up on there. You know it's cutting. You can hear a little bit of the sound of it. Just got to use the whole surface of the wheel. Okay, now let's take a look at the cut. It's a nice complete cut. Good finish.